Hey guys, if you are looking for best pot for induction cooking, you chose the right video. Today, we're going to review top 5 best pot for induction cooking on market. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Our first product is Cook & Home 12-piece stainless steel cookware set. This wallet-friendly set works on a variety of cooktops, including induction burners. It includes a 10-inch saute pan with a lid that you can use for everyday skillet cooking, instead of long-handled saucepans. This includes 3 double-loop handled casserole pans. Overall, the set's volumes tend to be on the smaller side, so it might not be ideal if you're planning big batch cooking projects or cooking for a crew. It's made of stainless steel with an aluminum disc layer that claims to promote even heat distribution, though it does have some hot spots. The tempered glass lids are designed with a steam vent and allow you to monitor the cooking process. Everything is dishwasher safe, although some users noted that over time, regular dishwasher use led to discoloring. Now our second choice is Circulen Symmetry 11-piece nonstick cookware set. This hard anodized cookware set means it's twice as hard as stainless steel, built for durability, and promotes fast, even heating. A full Freon non-stick interior releases food seamlessly, washes up easily, and is safe to use with metal utensils. Plus, its performance is backed by a lifetime guarantee. The 10-piece set includes all the essentials like fry pans, saucepans, and a large stock pot. The bonus piece here is a small 1-quart saucepan with a pour spout. The pans heat quickly and evenly on induction burners, although one reviewer noted that the smaller pans didn't heat as quickly and evenly. As with all induction cookware sets, it's important to choose pans that are the same size as the burners. Other features that win this set points include comfortable, silicone-wrapped handles, and it's safe in the oven up to 400 degrees. Now number 3, T-fal S706 Performa stainless steel 12-piece set. T-fal is known for its workhorse cookware and dishwasher-safe capabilities. Several reviewers commented that this set of pans is compatible with induction burners and live up to their dishwasher-safe promise. However, as with most cookware, the manufacturer recommends that you wash pans by hand to extend durability and finish. The premium stainless steel construction suggests durability, and the set comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Modestly priced, this stainless steel set comes with the basics, including 8-inch and 10.5-inch fry pans and saucepans. The pans have T-fal's techno-release interior that allows for easy release and cleanup. Where many sets have a stock pot, this offers a 5-quart Dutch oven. A wide-bottomed workhorse you might actually use more than a tall stock pot. There are also measuring spoons to round out your kitchen equipment. Overall, this is a good oven-safe starter set for beginner cooks, or if you need a set of knockabout pans for the kitchen. At number 4, Blue Diamond Triple Steel Cookware Set. This value for money set is also a great option if you prefer cooking with ceramic cookware, which is lauded for its non-stick capabilities. Beyond a couple of basic pieces, there's an 11-inch multifunction chef's pan and a nylon spatula and spoon. This does not include a stock pot or Dutch oven for big batches. This set is built for durability, with a double layer of stainless steel surrounding an aluminum core. Because the aluminum is built into the pan, it's fully clad, rather than just having an aluminum disc attached to make it induction compatible. Like some less expensive sets, the diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating is harder and stronger than traditional coatings. The diamond technology promises heat conductivity that is 4 times more conductive than copper, so they heat up faster, too. The stainless steel construction also ensures even heating. It's oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees, and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. At number 5, Fissler Original Stainless Steel Cookware Set. This German-made professional-grade cookware set is more expensive, but it's built to last a lifetime and comes with a 10-year guarantee on stainless steel parts. The 9-piece set consists of only saucepans and stock pots, so if you need frying pans, you'll need to purchase those separately. The 18/10 stainless steel construction is scratch and wear resistant, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. The manufacturer states that the thick base ensures fast and optimal heat distribution and even cooking without overheating. Other design features include lids that are designed to let steam fall back into the food to keep ingredients moist. The ergonomic handles promise a comfortable grip and are heat insulated to help prevent burns. The pots have an extra wide pouring rim that helps minimize drips and spills. There are also measurement markings on the interior of the pot that makes it easy to measure liquids. Pans are oven-proof up to 450 degrees, perfect for finishing a frittata. All the products we mentioned are available in present market. To get the link, check description below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.